Lackawanna County residents hope to make their voices heard when it comes to potential data centers. As Newswatch 16's Joe Kohut explains, volunteers in Blakely and Archbald are gathering signatures for petitions opposing the votes to change zoning for those centers.
The promise of progress and the fear the cost is too steep. Borough Council in Archbald and Blakely are set to take separate data center-related votes, amending their zoning ordinances this month. And the people living in those communities hope they can make their voices heard. Scores of people in Lackawanna County's Mid-Valley signed petitions Sunday to protest the development of data centers, fearing the potential for noise pollution, health risks, and drags on local resources and dips in property values. In Archbald, Council will vote on September 29th to potentially create 4 data center zoning districts on land currently zoned in a mix of industrial, commercial, and residential areas.
So I'm just concerned that when our zoning regulations were written, that they weren't written for what actually data centers are now.
The neighborhood association is petitioning to make a pitch for just 1 district, not 4.
Our goal now is to limit the number and then also to put restrictions on them so that they are the best neighbors and least harmful to our area. If we had to have one, ideally it would be away from residential areas, away from schools, away from parks, probably in an area that's already zoned for industrial use.
A short drive away in Blakely, residents of the borough worry about a data center development between the Scranton-Carbondale Highway and Keystone Avenue. Melinda Harhut says that will be a few hundred feet away from her backyard.
Our area is already dealing with what's left of the coal mining era. We're also dealing with the landfill and the smells that come from it. So are you going to dump something else on the community? How much can this community handle?
She and a group of her neighbors are asking council to reject a request for zoning change made by businessman Al Patel that allows for the development of that center.
And we hope that anybody that can and is able to can come to this meeting if they're against it and have a voice, have the community have a voice, because we're the only ones that can help to prevent this.
That meeting in Blakely is scheduled for September 16th. Joe Kohut, Newswatch 16, Lackawanna County.